just a short video, and welcome to April in the UK. As you can see, we've got a little bit of snow, although it's not settling. I'm just going to show you how I adjusted the doors. If you notice the latch here, you can see where the other latch was knocking on there and making a knocking sound as the door was closed. It's up. So as if that shows it really well there. So some of the noise we've got is going to be the catch just there riding up onto this. So the door was dropped, but only by about 1/8 of an inch. And it was really quite easy. I did it off camera, but all you do, you grab the door from underneath and you pull up as hard as you can. Whereas now it shuts really nicely. So with a drop like that, the reason for the drop is when people get out of the vehicle, they're pushing down on the door, and over time there must be something gets a tiny bit bent. Obviously if you've got a drop of 1 inch, which I've seen on forums, some people have got a drop of 1 inch, then you've got other issues. It could be some areas under here that are starting to give way, that's creating effectively a curvature of the chassis. But in this instance it just needed pulling up a little bit, and it closes really nicely. And so this one was the same. It was a distinct knock as you went past there, and that closes well as well.